Hi everyone, welcome back. My name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, the go-to store for innovative crowdfunded tech products. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the ClutchIt, the mount with hundreds of uses for your smartphone. Let's get started. Tack pen. Oh. Nice little package. Okay, so you just slide that out. We have the silver one here today. So take the sleeve off, and you have here, already the ClutchIt is attached to a metal plate at the bottom, so I guess it stays in place. In the box, we have a quick start guide and a little bag with accessories. So in the accessory bag we have a alcohol prep pad and a couple more plates, metal plates. So I love the ClutchIt, I use it as well, so I'll show you guys how it works. On my phone I have a skin. I don't really like to stick things on my phone, so I prefer just to slide one of the discs into between the skin and the phone, like this, and like put it in the center, and then you don't have to actually stick anything to it. If you don't feel like dealing with that, you can easily just stick the metal plate to your phone, and that makes it a lot easier. And then from there, that's it. You let's put it more in the middle, like that. If you want to use the ClutchIt like this, you see it has these ball joints that makes it really easy to turn, and it just holds very securely while you're turning it. Oop. There you go. You can watch something like that if you want. You could stick this to, if you want, okay, so then you have this other piece, which is a 3M, like very strong, sticky plate, and that is something that you would put to, for example, to your car, or if you want to use it in an airplane. I've seen people do that while they're having long flights. They want to put their phone up hands-free. You know, anywhere that you might want to use your phone hands-free and sort of adjust it how you'd want to. So you'd stick this part to the car, and you'd stick this, and that would stick immediately onto that, and then you can adjust the phone and adjust your ClutchIt however you like to make it work for you. So in the car you can have lots of different angles, which is cool. These ball joints are super strong. They're tight, but not too tight, but they're really, you know, they stay where you put them. So you can be in a bumpy car and you can drive a lot, and it doesn't move if you leave it like this, which I've seen some of those other lesser models do. So yeah, this is the ClutchIt. It comes in lots of different colors. There's space gray, there's silver, gold, and black. So lots of different colors, lots of different uses. It's a great little product. It's a great gift. You can use it for almost anyone. It's great for safety. So I mean, I really recommend it. I think it's a cool product. But I'd love to hear what you guys think. Let me know what color you pick or what you think you'd use it for. My name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, and I hope to see you again on the store soon.